Set Origin Plus add-on is all about moving the origin point of an object or multiple objects to a selected face. We will try to understand this in depth with three different situations. As you can see, the default cube is already here. We will then open our sidebar where you can see a bunch of tabs on the right side of the bar. Now, let's simply click on Set Origin Plus tab. We can see it appear with a button saying Update Origin. Next, we need to go to the edit mode either conventionally or by clicking Update Origins button. Now, let's move the origin to a certain face. For that, we need to select a face and simply click on Update Origins button. As you can see, we have successfully moved the origin to our desired face. This is how we can set the origin of a single object with this add-on. Now, let's move on to our next situation where we will try this thing with multiple objects.
In this situation, in order to have multiple objects, we will add array modifier to a default cube. We will keep relative offset to 1, change count to 7 and apply the modifier. Let's add another modifier to the same. This time we will duplicate this on the y-axis. Now in edit mode, select all the meshes and separate them by loose paths. By doing this, we now have a set of default cubes. Let's just select them and go to the edit mode. We will then try to move origin of each cube to its bottom face. For that, we need to select all the bottom faces and simply click on Update Origins button. Now, as you can see, each cube has its origin at the bottom face. Let's try this add-on in another situation.
Here we have kept the same cubes with their origins at geometries. Suppose these cubes have been subdivided several times and get multiple faces on each and every side. Now again select all the bottom faces and click on Update Origins button. We can see that all the origins have now been moved to their selected faces properly. So that is how the add-on can be used to play with an origin of an object. This add-on has been made for Blender version 2.8 and above. Link is in the description below to download this from Gumroad. Thank you.